Ionic compounds have several properties. 1. High melting and boiling points. Due to strong electrostatic forces of attraction between positively and negatively charged ions, ionic compounds typically have high melting and boiling points. 2. Solubility in water. Ionic compounds often dissolve readily in water due to the attraction between the ions and the polar water molecules. 3. Conductivity. Ionic compounds conduct electricity when dissolved in water or melted, as the ions are free to move and carry electric charge. 4. Brittleness. Ionic solids are usually brittle because when a force is applied, the layers of ions of the crystal lattice slide past each other, causing like charged ions to come into close proximity, resulting in repulsion and fracture. 5. Crystal structure. Ionic compounds often form crystalline structures due to the arrangement of ions in a repeating pattern known as a crystal lattice. 6. Electronegativity difference. Ionic compounds are formed by the transfer of electrons from one atom to another, typically from a metal to a non-metal, resulting in ions with opposite charges. 7. Non-conductivity in solid state. Ionic compounds do not conduct electricity in their solid state, because the ions are fixed in the crystal lattice and cannot move to carry electric charge.